This joystick controls 225 cameras? PTZOptics SuperJoy might replace your entire crew. Let's be real, live production can feel like a chaotic caffeine-fueled nightmare. You're toggling between PTZ cams, juggling presets, yelling across the studio for someone to fix camera 3 again, and praying no one notices the slightly tilted shot mid-stream. You know what it's like: clunky controls, laggy responses, and endless frustration when one tiny misclick ruins your perfect take. Creativity shouldn't feel like tech babysitting, and your gear shouldn't act like it just came from a yard sale. Whether you're producing church services, sports events, or full-blown broadcasts, this is the headache we all secretly scream about. Now crank that frustration up a notch. Tight deadlines, demanding directors, missed transitions, and fingers slipping off ancient plastic buttons during a live feed. Your gear can't keep up, and your crew's drowning in last-minute patch jobs and panic reboots. Every second counts, and when your controller acts more like a glorified calculator than a creative powerhouse, you lose time, energy, and worst of all, professional credibility. And let's not forget the wild inconsistency across different PTZ brands. You're stuck playing Frankenstein, piecing together cameras, protocols, and half-working hacks. That's not production, that's survival mode. Enter the PTZOptics SuperJoy, the joystick controller that doesn't just survive chaos, it owns it. Designed for both seasoned broadcast pros and curious newcomers, SuperJoy lets you command up to 225 cameras, yes, seriously, with IP, NDI, and serial control all in one badass console. Whether you're mixing Panasonic, Burdog, Sony, PTZOptics, or even that weird brand from 2012, SuperJoy's got your back. With a built-in HDMI preview screen, pressure-sensitive dials, and customizable buttons, it's like having an entire video village in one slick joystick. It's not just a controller. It's your new command center. With Basic, Basic Plus, and Matrix modes, SuperJoy adapts to your skills and team size. You want simple? Done. Need full-scale multicam preset triggering with visual feedback and joystick-activated auto-tracking? Covered. It's got tactile, glowing buttons, because, yes, cool matters, a metal chassis built like a tank, and a UI so smooth even grandma could run your next stream. Stop struggling with mismatched gear and start running your show like a boss. Want smoother control, fewer mistakes, and a system that actually feels fun to use? Then keep watching, we're just warming up. Thousands of streamers, houses of worship, esports teams, educators, and AV nerds have already upgraded to SuperJoy, and they're wondering how they ever lived without it. Limited production budget? This thing replaces multiple operators. Compatibility worries? It speaks every language from Visca to NDI to HTTP. Confused about setup? Don't be, it's practically plug and play with a side of genius. But fair warning, demand is sky high, and supply isn't endless. So stop fighting your gear. Start commanding it. Smash that link, grab your PTZOptics SuperJoy now, and turn your next live show into a masterclass in pro-grade production. Let's make tech fun again. Go get it.